In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the in 2021 I will be filter on Instagram. So once you have loaded up Instagram, what you want to do is tap on the little magnifying glass at the bottom there on the left hand side to go to the discovered page. And then once you're on the discover page, you want to tap on the search bar, and then you want to tap on accounts, and you want to search for this account right here. It's Preska _, and you can go ahead and follow this account to get all their filters. And to get their filters, you just go to their filters section by tapping on that little filters icon in the middle of the screen there, and then you can see the first filter there is in 2021 I will be. So go ahead and tap on that, and what you can do is tap on that little download button. It will be added to your Snapchat camera, or you can go ahead and try it from here. So all you would need to do is hold down the record button, and there we have it. So apparently in 2021 I will be married. So that is how you get the in 2021 I will be filter on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.